Hey there, and welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. My name is Andrew, and in today's episode, we're talking about how you can make money from home and online by selling your own photographs. Yep, you heard that right. Selling your pictures. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. If you're a member of the consulting crew, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Let's get to it. As I said, welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. Today we're talking about how you can make money from home by selling your own photographs. Now, what do I mean by selling your photographs? I don't mean just selling them to Joe Schmo out on the street going, hey, I took this cool picture, you want it? No, 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 no. What I mean by selling your photographs, if you're somebody who likes taking pictures, whether it's with a cell phone or with an expensive camera, it doesn't matter. As long as it's a fairly decent quality picture, you can make money from it in a few different ways. One, you can take your photos and sell them to different online sites like Canva or Pixelbee or many others out there, and they will purchase the rights from you to use that picture on their platform for other content creators or people to use on their social media or website or whatever it may be. And like on Canva, you have pictures that are set up in a way for private use for people to use on their social media to create memes or just have nice looking backgrounds for their headers and so on. And then you also have commercial use where people can go on, pay a small fee to that company, and then they can use that picture to use on like YouTube videos or for the backgrounds of a YouTube ad or for a Facebook ad, a Twitter ad, or whatever other way they want to use it. But they have to purchase the rights from that company that you originally sold it to begin with. And then in return, you also make a royalty off of that purchase by the customer through those platforms. Another way that you can make money by selling your photos is to take your pictures and go on to sites like Teespring or Printly or Printify, Shopify, and you can design items with your pictures on them. So you could have a t-shirt with your picture on it. You could have a towel that has your picture on it, a canvas print. You can also do the same thing on those different sites and sell your picture as a digital product as well, where you can give people direct permission yourself to use it for personal use. And of course, when you do it yourself, you can set up two different price ranges, one for private use to where they can use it in their social media and stuff like that, and then a different price for commercial use. So if they want to use your picture on their own merch or in an ad or some way for them to be able to make money, you can charge them an additional charge compared to the private use and make a little bit more for them to have the usage rights for commercial use. Now, for those of you who have been around for a while here on the channel and are members of the consulting crew, know that I make music. And how I make my music is commercially licensing sound pools and samples and loops. And then I take those commercially licensed audio pieces and then turn them into actual music compared to just a couple drum beats that are all alone. I can take the lyrics that we're saying a cappella and put them into music. And then because of my licensing, I can sell them as my own songs because I am commercially licensed to use them. It's essentially the same thing that you can do with your pictures. So I hope this helps you with another way to be able to make money from home and online. If you're interested, head on over to consultantblindguy.com/blog and you'll be able to find an article on ways that you can make money by selling your photographs yourself and many more topics. If you're interested, don't forget you can also buy a copy of my book, Income Booster, 100 plus businesses you can start from home and ditch the 9 to 5. There's literally something there for everyone. It's packed with helpful info, tips, tricks, and things you need to consider when working from home and working in the various different ways to be able to make some money. Doesn't matter if you're full-time employed, part-time employed, unemployed, disabled, or a stay-at-home mom. I'm telling you, there is literally something for everyone. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions, go ahead, drop them down below in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until the next time, have a great day or evening, depending on where you are in the world, and we'll see you next time.